Today on Bontexx, I'm going to take this plywood block and turn it into an Oloide. This video is inspired by Angus over at Maker's Muse and his Sphericon videos. Links will be in the description below.
I'm using blue tape as a removable surface to glue the patterns down on, because the CA glue is so thin that it soaks into the plywood before it can glue the paper on. I measured the width of the template using one corner of the block and down both faces. It is important that both faces are perpendicular and that the center lines match up. I'm adding a couple more reference lines to ensure that my pattern is lined up. You can see that I'm putting my cutoffs to the side, but don't get rid of them. You'll need them to cut the other perpendicular side of the pattern. Now I'm taking the cutoffs back on. So that the pattern lines up, I had to add the space for the saw blade curve.
After all that cutting, this is what I'm left with. And it's not quite there, it's going to need some work. But it's pretty close. We're going to pull out the sander, do some sanding, and maybe it'll roll. The majority of this project is shaping on the sander. For your viewing pleasure, I've reduced it to about 10 seconds. And finally, I'm adding some spray lacquer to protect the plywood as we play with it. And there we have it, a plywood Oloide. And just to see if it works, we'll roll it down this piece of plywood. I want to thank Angus at Maker's Muse for the idea. And for everyone that's watching, please give it a like and subscribe.